Ever wonder why growing a YouTube channel feels like climbing Mount Everest? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of creators just like you face the daunting task of carving out a space for themselves in the crowded world of YouTube. It's a platform bursting at the seams with content, where millions of channels are vying for the same slice of attention. And let's be honest, standing out in that crowd, it's akin to being heard in a football stadium during the Super Bowl. Not to mention the algorithms, the SEO, the thumbnails, the tags. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. Yet this is the reality for new and small YouTubers. It's a steep uphill battle against saturation, against noise, against the very odds of being noticed. But don't worry, there's a clear path to success, and we'll guide you through it. So buckle up and get ready to scale your own digital Everest. Before you build a house, you need a solid foundation. The same goes for your YouTube channel. So let's talk about setting that foundation. First, you must understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, needs, and wants? Understanding your audience is like having a blueprint for your house. It gives you a clear direction of how to build your channel to best meet their needs and desires. Once you understand your audience, it's time to define your channel's niche and value proposition. Your niche is your specialization, your unique corner of YouTube. It's like choosing the style of house you want to build. Is it a cozy cottage or a modern loft? Similarly, are you a gaming channel, a beauty vlog, or a cooking tutorial channel? Your value proposition, on the other hand, is what sets you apart from others in your niche. It's the unique value you bring to your audience, just like a house's unique features that make it a home. Next, we move to creating a visually appealing channel layout. This is akin to designing the outside of your house. Just like curb appeal can attract or deter potential buyers, your channel layout can either draw in viewers or turn them away. Make sure it's clean, organized, and visually pleasing. Consistent branding is also key. It's like the color scheme of your house. You wouldn't paint one room blue, another green, and another red, would you? No, you'd want a consistent theme throughout. The same goes for your YouTube channel. Your logo, banner, thumbnails, and video intros should all have a consistent look and feel. Lastly, don't forget about your channel's description. It's like the for sale sign in front of your house, explaining what potential viewers can expect if they decide to move in. Make it compelling and clear. Remember, the foundation you lay now will support everything you build moving forward. So take the time to set it right, and you'll be well on your way to growing a successful YouTube channel in 2024. Now that you've got your foundation, it's time to start building. And in the world of YouTube, content is king. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gravity of that statement. You see, YouTube is an ocean of videos, and your content is your unique wave. It's what sets you apart from the rest, what makes you, well, you. But it's not just about being unique, it's about being valuable. High quality, engaging, and valuable content is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. It's what draws people in, piques their interest, and keeps them watching. So how do you create this kind of content? It begins with understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they facing that you can solve? What can you teach them? Once you have these answers, you can start crafting content that is tailored to their needs and interests. Now, let's talk about consistency. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, consistency is key. It's not just about posting a video and hoping for the best. It's about regularly feeding your audience with fresh, engaging content. This not only helps to keep your viewers engaged, but also signals to YouTube that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility in the platform's algorithm. To stay consistent, you need a plan, a content schedule, if you will. This is a roadmap of what you're going to post and when. It helps you stay organized, ensures you never run out of content ideas, and takes the stress out of wondering what to post next. Don't be afraid to experiment either. Try different types of content, different formats, different lengths. See what resonates with your audience. Remember, YouTube is not a one-size-fits-all platform. What works for one channel may not work for another. In the end, it's about creating content that your audience loves, content that adds value to their lives in some way. And when you do that consistently, you'll not only grow your channel, but you'll also build a community of loyal viewers who look forward to your next upload. Good content is what will draw viewers in, but consistency is what will keep them coming back for more. Now that you're consistently producing great content, let's talk about how to get it seen. Meet your new best friend, SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic that makes your videos pop up when someone types in a search query on YouTube. It's like the secret code that opens up the vault to visibility and viewership. But how does it work? Imagine you're a librarian, and your job is to help people find the book they're looking for. Now, replace books with videos, and you have YouTube's algorithm. It wants to match viewers with the videos they're searching for, and SEO is the language it understands. Let's start with keyword research. Keywords are like the DNA of your video. They tell the algorithm what your content is about, so you need to find the right ones that your potential viewers are typing into the search bar. There are plenty of free tools out there that can help you with this. Now we've got our keywords. What's next? Tags. Tags are like little signposts that tell the YouTube algorithm more about your video. They further define your content and help it get discovered in related searches. So make sure you're using relevant tags, but don't overdo it. Remember, quality over quantity. Next up, descriptions. This is where you can really sell your video. A well-written description not only informs viewers what your video is about, but also boosts your SEO. Make sure to include your keywords naturally in the description. Lastly, your video's title. This is arguably the most important piece of the SEO puzzle. A good title is catchy, relevant, and contains your primary keyword. It's like a headline of a newspaper. It's the first thing people see, and it influences whether they'll click on your video or not. SEO might seem complex, but it's just a tool. And once you know how to use it, it can be a game changer. So remember, SEO is your secret weapon. Use it wisely, and watch as your YouTube channel flourishes in 2024. You're producing great content. Your SEO game is strong. Now let's talk about the cherry on top. Community engagement. This is the secret ingredient that spices up your YouTube channel, transforming it from a one-way broadcast into a vibrant, interactive community. Think of your channel as a party. You're the host, and your viewers are the guests. You wouldn't just play some music and leave your guests to their own devices, would you? Of course not. You'd mingle, start conversations, and create a welcoming atmosphere. That's exactly what you need to do with your YouTube channel. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to their feedback, answer their questions, and appreciate their input. This not only makes your viewers feel valued, but it also fosters a sense of community. It tells your viewers that this is a space where their voices matter. And don't limit your engagement to your YouTube channel. Extend it to other social media platforms. Share behind-the-scenes content, host live Q&A sessions, or just chat about your day. This helps you form a deeper connection with your viewers, making them more likely to stick around and watch your future videos. Collaborations are another great way to engage your community. Work with other YouTubers to create unique content. This not only brings fresh perspectives to your channel, but it also exposes you to a wider audience. Creating a community around your channel has numerous benefits. It increases viewer loyalty, boosts your video engagement rates, and ultimately leads to faster growth. It's a snowball effect. The more you engage your viewers, the more they engage with your content. The more they engage with your content, the more YouTube promotes your videos. And the more YouTube promotes your videos, the faster your channel grows. Remember, YouTube is a social platform. Engage, interact, and build a community. That's how you turn viewers into loyal subscribers. Growing a YouTube channel is no easy task, but with these steps, you're well on your way. In the past few minutes, we've journeyed together through the exhilarating world of YouTube growth. We've laid the groundwork by establishing a solid foundation. This foundation is the bedrock on which your YouTube empire will stand. Next, we recognize the sovereignty of content, affirming that indeed, content is king. We then unveiled the secret weapon in the YouTube arsenal, mastering SEO. This is your secret path to visibility in the vast YouTube universe. And finally, we explored the unbeatable strategy of engaging with your community. This is where the magic happens, where viewers transform into loyal subscribers, and your channel evolves into a thriving community. Remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. So keep going, keep improving, and most importantly, keep creating. Your journey to YouTube stardom may be challenging, but it's a journey worth embarking on.